Dumelang guys, and welcome back to my channel. Luita Lagakina Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of things that I love, a couple of things that I've been obsessed with lately, and yeah, I hope you will enjoy today's video. And yeah, without any waste of time, let's get into today's video. So guys, the first thing that I'm obsessed with is apple cider vinegar with the mother. If you are in South Africa, you can get this at Dis-Chem or at Clicks. The reason why I'm obsessed with this apple cider vinegar is because it helps with suppressing my appetite. Number one, it helps with bloating, and you know, overall I just feel light whenever I drink it. I drink it in the morning, and I also drink it in the evening after my last meal. And yeah, I'm not used to the taste. It does taste bad, but it does the job, guys. The second thing that I'm obsessed with, guys, is this wine red wig. It is a 4x4 wig. It is from Hair City. By the way, it is a South African company. The reason why I'm obsessed with it, guys, is because this is a get up and go wig. Let me tell you, I do not have to lay my edges. I don't have to put on some glue and mousse and do all these things that I did with this wig. Like, child, I'm not saying I hate this wig, but I'm just saying this one is more convenient, and lately I've been obsessed with it. Also, I've never owned anything of this color. As you can see, I love the color as well. It's really beautiful. Yeah, that's why I love it, and I'm obsessed with it, guys. Like, obsession. By the way, it is a bob, and even though I know in South Africa right now it's a bit cold, it's a bit wabona, the weather is moody, but this is very convenient whenever it's super hot. Guys, I've been obsessed with these shoes so much. Like, literally, I don't know how many years I've had these shoes, but I still love them. They're my go-to shoes, guys, because first of all, they're comfortable. Kiddie platform, the heel is nicely, you know, it's long, it looks very, it's a thin heel, as you can see. I love the patterns. You can wear anything with these shoes, guys. You can just put on a jean and a jacket and you're good to go, or a nice dress, you're good to go. I am obsessed with them, guys. I believe that they are not those shoes they know they're in or out of fashion, if you know what I mean. Like, for me, they're always, you know, they're just perfect. That's how obsessed I am with them. By the way, they're from Nine West. Beautiful. Guys, I believe that if you're a wig girl, you need to be owning a curling iron. This I'm obsessed with. I've been obsessed with it, and guys, I got it for cheap. I think I got it like 2 years ago. This was literally 100 rand. Go check us. The brand Ke Odimo, and yeah, it's strong. It's really strong. I love the fact that it is convenient when it comes to curling hair. And obviously, guys, my Instagram handle is curly memes, meaning I'm really obsessed with curly hair. So most of the time my wigs are curled, and this curling iron does the job. I promise you, it does the job. And the main reason why I'm really obsessed with it is I don't even have to open it like this, guys. The only thing that I do is I roll my hair on this iron, and after a couple of seconds I just release the curl, and the curl will be very much bouncy. Okay, so, and I'm good to go. That's how easy it is, guys. So this is my best friend. So guys, I am into flowers, as you can see. So this is another this is the blazer that I'm obsessed with. It is beautiful, guys. I bought it go China, not China Mall. I like saying China Mall is Small Street. Hold up. I got it go Small Street. I forgot the price, by the way, and I love it so much. Let me tell you the reason why I'm obsessed. Let me show it to you guys properly. It has a belt over here, and it also has the kunubi, like buttons. Yeah, the reason why I'm obsessed with this jacket, rather this blazer, is because even when I have a little Bailey, you know, if I ate too much the previous day, I just put on a jean and I wear it and I will look really, really good. It is velvety. It is a very strong piece of cloth, okay, like really, really strong. So guys, the next two items that I'm obsessed with is this selfie ring light and this tripod. This tripod is good for stability. Whenever I'm at a restaurant, I can just put it on the table and probably vlog myself eating or vlog myself talking too much. Yeah, and this selfie ring light provide me with lighting. Let's say maybe Kiruti somewhere and the lighting is not that well, I can just clip it on my phone and I'm good to go. So I'm quickly gonna do a demonstration of how I connect these two with my phone as well, right? And then put this on the table and then start vlogging. Or even if I don't put it on the table, I can just hold it like this and start vlogging, like, if you know what I mean. So that's why I said they complement each other, right? So yeah, and yo, by the way guys, very important, these things, they fit in my sling bag, so you can imagine they fit, guys. So that's why I am obsessed with them. I really love them, guys. And this next item is a facial cloth. I'm a makeup girl, guys, you all know that, and I do not like using Ama wipes to remove my makeup, but let me tell you, this cloth is doing the most. It is a Wow Jude facial cloth. Let me open it. This is a velvety, it's a velvet material. As you can see, it's a velvet material, and yeah, I'll probably insert a clip of me removing my makeup so that you can see how good this makeup cloth is. It is literally the best, guys. And another thing that I wanted to tell you is that this makeup cloth is actually from Zabanutile Beauty Box. I've worked with them before, so please do check them out on Instagram. I will probably leave the link in the description box if you want to purchase this. The best, guys, literally. I think you will see, guys, it is the best ever, guys. These boots are the best. That's why I saved them for last. I am really obsessed with these diesel boots because look, I mean, let me just show them to you. Look how cute they are, guys. They are super chic. Hey, they are really chic. I am in love with these boots. The reason why I'm really, oh my goodness, look at this cute, I wanted to show you this cute pocket over here. Let's talk about being chic. Okay, let's talk about the design. All right, the dirty jean vibe, Batumba Mudimu. These are so beautiful, and the reason why I'm obsessed with them, irrespective of the way they look, they're comfortable. I mean, you can see the heel. They're really comfortable. Even inside, guys, they're really comfortable. The reason why I'm also obsessed with these boots is because you can run with these boots, you can dance with these boots, you can flex with these boots, like literally all in one. I like wearing these boots with my boyfriend Jean. I mean, guys, you can see at home, they're bad and bougie, like all in one, classy, chic, bona, everything, guys. Okay. And of course, the reason why I love them is because they're diesel boots. Why not? Okay, why not? Anyway, guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes, and please do let me know which item was your favorite out of all the things that I showed you. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment #road to 10K. We're getting there soon. All right, bye guys.